Hi viewers, our ongoing lesson are the lesson number 5, decimal fractions. Now we see the next point in this lesson. The next point are multiplication of decimal fractions. Multiplication of decimal fractions. Now we see one example. The example are 4.3 into 5. Here the multiplicand number is decimal fraction and multiplier is the integer, only integer. Here in multiplier are not the fractions. This example we can solve using three methods. We see one by one. The first method, in method first, here convert the decimal fraction into common fraction. Here 4.3 is the one places decimal fraction, hence the fraction denominator is 10. 4.3 into 5. Here we convert in common fraction. 4.3 is denominator is 10. Hence our common fraction is 43 upon 10 into, here 5 is the multiplier and are not here the point, means if any no denominator, that time is the denominator 1. Hence here the 5 denominator is the 1. Here this step, product of two common fractions or fractions. If the finding product of two fractions, then the product of is numerator written on the numerator place and the product of denominator is written on the denominator place. Here in first common fraction 43 upon 10, numerator is the 43. In this number numerator is the 5. Here the multiplication of numerator into numerator. Here the denominator is 10. 10 into denominator 1. Here make the multiplication and write their place. Here the multiplication is 5 3s are 15. Carry 1. 5 4s are 20 and 1 21. Here the 215 is the product of numerator place numbers. Now we write the product of denominator place. Here the 1 10s are 10 or 10 1s are 10. Here our product in common fraction 215 upon 10. Means here we know the common fraction how to convert into decimal fraction. Here the 5 numerator place digit number is 215 and right side digit is the 5. Write the right side digit here on the denominator place 10, means leave one digit and put or write the decimal point and remaining digit write like as 1 2. Here our answer is 21.5. Now we see the second method. Method second. In method second, the same example, the examples are 4.3 into 5. Here, the fraction is 3 and fraction 3 is placed 10th place. Hence, the 3 denominator is 10. And 4 is the integer. The integer denominator is 1. Do not, or we don't return the every time denominator 1. If don't return the denominator 1, that time the meaning are denominator is 1. The without all numbers are the denominator has 1. We can not return the every time denominator 1, but the meaning is 1 is denominator of all integers. Here we solve the using in second method. The second method of multiplication of 4.3 into 5. Here write the integer and write the fraction number or digit in common fraction. Here 3 upon 10. And the multiplier is here multiplication, hence write the multiplication sign. Multiplier is the 5. Here we make the columns. Here we write in the for solving the example. Here the operation are multiplication. Here 5 is the integer and 4 is the integer. 4 is the multiplicand number and 5 is the multiplier. 5 4s are 20. Here we know the denominator are 1 and any number multiplication is the same number. The numbers comes with the multiplication. The number comes with the 1. Here the numerator is 3. 5 3s are 3 5s are 15. Here the denominator are remain the same because of the here the denominator of 5 is 1. 10 ones are 10. Here integer. Here 15 upon 10 means 1 is the integer. Hence 1 integer add into integer. 20 plus 1. 20 plus 1 is the 21. Means here if we convert the decimal fraction of the common fraction. 15 upon 10 is the common fraction. Here the integer 20 is same, and if convert in decimal fraction 1.5 means 1 is the integer and 5 is the fractions. We can write the 1 add into integer. Here our example is 4.3 into 5 is equal to 20 plus 1. 20 plus 1.5. 20 plus 1.5 is equal to, our answer is the 21.5. 21.5 our answer. Here, listen carefully. The third method of solving this multiplication, 4.3 into 5, is third method is same of the multiplication of integers. Only there the conditions are, do not consider the not decimal point, and in the product write the decimal point. However, decimal fractions in number multiplicand number and multiplier number. Now we see word problem related to the multiplication of decimal fractions. The problem are, listen the problem, you can see the problem are, the rate of petrol is rupees 89.25 per liter. Seema wants to fill 2.5 liter of petrol in her scooter. How many rupees will she have to pay? Here we see the second example. The example are word problem. Here we write first the given in the example or question. The given are rate of, given information. Given information is the rate of petrol. Rate of petrol. Rate of petrol is 89.25 rupees, and the quantity of petrol. The quantity of petrol is the quantity of petrol is the 2.5 liter. Means we can write using the numbers 2.5 liter. Liters. And here we are finding the how many rupees paid to the owner of petrol pump. Here finding the total amount. Here we need the finding amount, hence the question mark. Here, which is the process is useful? You know, the process is useful multiplication. We can solve the example are using the two methods. We solve using two methods. In first method, and then we see second method. First we see the how to pay the amount to the petrol pump owner. We see the first method. The first method is in first method the numbers are in decimal fractions. we convert the numbers in common fractions. Here the first number is the here 89.25. Two places decimal fractions, hence convert into common fraction. The denominator are 100 because the two decimal places, and numerator is the 8925. In digit are the 8925 upon 100. The next number is the quantity of number is the 2.5 liter. One places fractions, hence the denominator are 10 and numerator is the 225. Here the same rule is the product of common fractions. The product of numerator is written in the numerator place, and the denominator of denominator product is written on the denominator place. Here the product 8925 into 25 upon 100 into 10. Here you know the table of 25. 25 5s are 125. 5 and carries the 12. 25 2s are 50. 50 and 12 62 carries the 6. 25 9s are 225 and carries the 6. 231. Here carry is the 23. 23 carry, and the next digit is 8. 25 8s are 200. 25 8s are 200 and carry is the 23. 23 plus 200 is 223. Hence here write the 200. All digits are the end. 223. Here the remain product of denominator place numbers. The denominator place numbers. Here the numbers are 100 multiplied by 10, means the numbers are multiple of 10. If the numbers are multiple of 10, the easier way of product of multiplicand or multiple of 10 numbers, count the zeros 1 2 3 and write the number of zeros here 3 and the 1. Here the denominator are 1000. Here the number common fraction convert in decimal fraction. Here the 5 is the place is 1000th, 2 is the place 100th, and 1 digit place is the 10th, and here the decimal point. Then 3 is the units, then 2 is the tens, and the second one is the 100. Here our answer is the 223.125 rupees. Here the number are write in the two places fraction. Now we see the second method. The second method the same example how to solve in second method. In second method, here the numbers are decimal fractions are 89.25 into the quantity is 2.5. In vertical arrangement, solving the example, consider the decimal point are not, means here like as the integers. Here remove the decimal point. The numbers are 8925 means 8925. Consider here the decimal point are not. Remove the decimal point. Multiply by 25. Here make the multiplication using the same of the integers. 25 times are 125. Here the carry is 12. 25 twos are 50. 50 plus 12, 62. Carry is the 6. 25 nines are 225. And the carry is 6. 225 plus 6 is the 231. Here carry is the 23. Here 225 into 8. 25 8s are 200. 200 plus carry is the 23. 223. Here remainder question are which place or between the which two digits write or give the put the decimal point. Here you know 89.25 is the two places decimal fraction and this is the multiplicand number and 2.5 is the one decimal places fraction. This is the multiplier. Here count the decimal places or together make the total of decimal places of multiplicand number and multiplier number. Here the two places and multiplier is the 1. 1 plus 2 is the 3 places. Hence in the product number from the right side leave the 3 places. 1, 2, 3 means here the 1000th, 100th, 10th. Give the decimal point here. Our answer is the answer of 89.25 into 2.5 is equal to 223.125. Here, if the rupees and paise, that time write the number in two places decimal fraction. Here, the Seema paid to the petrol pump owner this amount. Thanks.